smoking up the block like that. Come on.
I'm sorry.
I mean,
it's a little kid birthday.
The thing I tell people is like,
oh yeah, you already know the vibes. The camera is out, so you know what's about to go down. Wide body bandit, 6.4 fleet, the Margin himself.
You know what that means?
Yeah, I'm a Dragon Ball fan. I know exactly what that means.
what's up, boss?
It's mad windy outside, so I apologize for the audio. I apologize.
You got something?
I got signed that. My handwriting ugly. All right. Oh, damn, I was about to write on your car. I'm disrespectful. Nah, I'm right on my car. I don't even want to take the chance. My man Frank got that snail on it. Hey, yo, we got to talk, Frank. So what made you want to go with a snail?
So honestly, there was a small decal I really liked, so I wanted to turn it into a wrap. It's dark, it's not light.
It's not like a bright color.
Yeah, so it goes with the car. I've been breaking necks coming down here.
Hell yeah. I got the turbo. So you ever watch the movie Turbo?
Yeah, everyone says
That's
turbo.
my shit. That's my shit. So you gotta have a name for him though.
Oh yeah, I gotta have a name.
You don't got a name for him? Not yet.
I got it 2 days ago.
I'm hip.
Yeah.
Well, so you gotta have a name for him, man. You can't just have he gotta have a name.
I'm gonna make him a name.
We got Tay out here.
Hey, you!
Oh, so y'all see the Ocean Instinct on the side though.
Yeah.
Y'all see the? Oh, look at the little plushie though. Look at that.
Bro, all I did was take my AirPods down. That's it.
My man represent.
Took that out real quick.
It's mad windy out here. I apologize once again. Nah, it's too late. It's too late. Where she at with the dart? This the second time on camera.
That's with the cool people. He hit me on it.
I was supposed to come, but I forgot what happened. And I wanted to do the dash with the Hellcat too.
Oh, with the Hellcat too? All right.
Remote control.
There we go. Oh, all right. I got you. We gonna lock him to do that with the RC Hellcat. I feel you. And then this man still ain't washed the car, man. I know. He still ain't washed the car. Hey, yo, what's going on? What's going on? I thought we were supposed to have a car wash when you got back.
Huh?
I think you supposed to have a car wash when you got back.
Is that the type of guy you are? You gonna sit here and talk about my car?
No, so
Nah, hey, look, I ain't had no time, man. I literally just got back from Oklahoma.
Facts. So
And
how was the game though?
the game was straight.
Oh yeah, who put up points? You bet money?
I ain't bet no money.
You ain't bet no money.
Just cause, I mean, you know, I'm not really I ain't gonna say that.
All right, facts. I got you.
But hey, nah, Russ and Bradley Bill, they did their thing, man.
Facts. So yeah, they flew this man out to go see a game. That man, I'm trying to get hired where you at.
Yes,
They hiring?
Nah, bro, they don't hire slow guys, bro.
Damn. All right, I'm gone. we got the Magnum out here. Long time no see. Yes, sir. Get those scat himself. So yeah, when we locking on your do the dash too. Everybody gonna do the dash. Whenever.
Doing this one, and then when I change my rep, doing this one.
Alright, even better. Alright, say less. But it's mad windy out here. I apologize once again.
Oh my, look at all that. Oh my God.
Happy B-Day, bro.
Oh yeah, got the birthday boy.
Oh, thank you.
This one Dream Mopar, bro.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, look at that reaction on camera. Get that reaction. Oh, showing the rocks. Showing the rocks. Hey, hey. Birthday turn up. Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Let them know. Let them know. Hey,
Banded himself.
You
If you didn't see him, go watch my YouTube video.
go watch that video, y'all.
Watch it.
It's all good. You next. You next.
Yeah, I am that.
You next. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How y'all feeling about that? Y'all going on YouTube? How y'all feeling about that?
Thank you. I swear.
It's his birthday, so shout out to him, man.
Thank you.
Hey, that joint was lit. That joint was lit. So the real question is, who your favorite car here though?
The favorite?
Favorite.
One of them two black ones in the back.
One or two?
Black and red.
Okay. Go! Block it! Oh shit, they about to get it. Oh damn, they about to get it. Yeah, it's a birthday.
It was birthday.
Huh?
Who birthday? It was
The little kid.
birthday.
Yeah.
Okay. We did a little ride for him. Y'all smoking up the block like that? Come on.
I'm sorry. It's a little kid
the
birthday.
thing I
you know?
tell people is like, look, you can't do it in a tank.
I knew it was gonna happen.
Damn.
Wait, was it that bad?
Yeah.
That joint was lit.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Probably the best one.
It was the fucking best one.
That's probably the best one.
What did you say right before?
Yeah, what did I say right before,
I
bro?
said, yo, she said, I shouldn't do it. But fuck it, I'm gonna do it.
I literally told him, I was like, watch, the cops are gonna come exactly when I decide to do it.
Oh, you
and he was like,
man. Pink wild body. That's what it is.
I was about to block, but I was by myself.
I ain't gonna lie, man. You had the best burnout.
Yeah, that's definitely the best one.
Burnout. This motherfucker.
We can go back to the time. We can go back to the time. My legend was smoked.
God.
So word around the town that Tay got the best burnout. She got the best burnout. Yeah, it was you, and then she took it.
Yeah, she showed me up after
Yeah,
that.
she showed you out. It was you at first. I was rooting for you. The next you know, she did that. I was like, damn.
She used that line.
That line.
Yeah.
Damn. But we out here for the kids, man. Dream Mopar, get at us. Man, they ended up being real cool, man. They blocked off the street so we could take photos. We lit. We lit. Damn.
Let's get a picture of all of us together real quick.
That would be tough.
Man, I got like 2.
Hey, that's gonna be tough. I forgot we got all of us now.
Hey, you know, I'm like the little brother type shit.
Somewhere like that, yeah.
Yeah, I'm like the little brother. Yeah, you feel me? We the only Torres in the group, you feel me?
We are.
So, you know.
thank you guys. I appreciate y'all.
You're welcome.
No problem.
Damn.
Go ahead, man. Location. It's a shopping center right up there.
once again, thank you.
Hey,
You
man,
know,
no problem, man.
I'm gonna shout you out on the channel. Look, hey, but much appreciated, man.
I appreciate you.
Hey, man, no problem. Anytime, man.
All right, bro.
Y'all be safe out there.
Always. Oh, Tay got off the horny.